This is certainly one of the largest crowds in the history of Groundhog Day. But it certainly has been the best crowd in the history of Groundhog Day. What a beautiful day. I want to remember this day just like you, so I'd like you to chant with me. Repeat after me. I was at Gobbler's Knob in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania on Groundhog Day. Listen. All right, what we're going to do here is introduce the inner circle, and then we're going to get Phil out. So let me introduce, I'm the fair weather man. This is Tom Dunkel, Shingle Shaker. Pat Osakowicz, Ozone. Jeff Group, Sky Painter. Keith Shields, Head Hailmaker. Our former handler, Ron Placha, Stump Warden now. Butch Persnock, Cold Front. John Johnson, Chief Health Man, and our treasurer. The Big Chill. And Iceman, Butch Philibert. How about a big round of applause for Moonshine, Dan McGinley, and Dave Gelati, Thunder Conductor. For how many of you here, is this your first time? How many is your second time? How about more than that? What a great day. What we're going to do here is, for those of you who have been here before, only the president speaks Groundhogese, and Phil has directed him to produce 2 scrolls. One says early spring, the other says 6 full weeks of winter. I have our chief health man has the 2 scrolls. He's going to place them on the stump. And I have secured this with a paper clip. But my hands are frozen like yours, and I can't get it open, so I need some assistance here. It's not like we rehearsed this event. All right, I'm going to show you the scrolls. I have one that is winter, and one that is spring. And at this time, I'm going to turn it over to the president of the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club, former handler, Mr. William Dealey. Dealey, Dealey! Dealey, Dealey! Dealey, Dealey!
Thank you, Jeff. Along with me here this evening, this morning, I also have AJ Jerome, who's first time as our handler, and John Griffin. Okay. You first-timers who've never been here before, this cane that I'm carrying is a cane that's passed down from president to president. While I'm holding this cane, it gives me the ability to speak in Groundhogese. If I set it down, don't have it in my possession, I cannot speak. But you know, I came with you this morning, and we have to wake up Phil. And how do we normally wake up Phil? We do the Phil chant. Phil! 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 Okay, guys, are we ready? Remove our lock, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Punxsutawney Phil! Okay there, big guy. Come on, we got a door thing. Gather around here, guys. It's getting pretty serious here. What do you think, buddy? Huh? We got a winner or we got a sprint? Huh? Shivering. Huh? Shivering. Okay, we got it.
Hear ye! Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye! Now this second day of February, 2018, the 132nd annual trek of the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club. Punxsutawney Phil, this year's prognosticator of all prognosticators, was awakened at sunrise from his burrow by the cheers of his thousands of faithful followers. In Groundhog Ease, he directed the president of the inner circle to his prognostication scroll, which reads, "Up early this morning, far from home, are you searching for the philosopher's stone? Well, even my best friends, they don't know. Is it an early spring or just more snow? My faithful followers, your hands and my cause are getting cold. So here's my forecast, not lead, but solid gold. I see my royal shadow, 6 more weeks of winter to go.